Hello, this is an overview of the supervised small factory plant that is composed of two machines, one buffer, and five uncontrollable events. In this case, start button, machine 1 broken, machine 2 broken, machine 1 repair, and machine 2 repair. Also, please notice that an alimentation buffer is added to the model. As you can see, there's a lot of actuators and sensors that are not modeled by the high level automata. For example, the conveyors on all the diffuse sensors. So for this plant to behave as intended in the high level model, we have to generate local supervisors for each one of the machines, so its behavior supervised will fulfill the specifications. We do that by supervisor for each one of the bigger components of the plant or the aggregation of sensors and actuators. For example, one for machine 1, for the buffers, blades, generate pieces, machine 2, to the buffer, behavior, not the size, but the behavior of the actuators and sensors, the start, and then we model the high level behavior. The machine 2, machine 1, buffer, and the repair and start specifications. You can see that they are really not too different of the model presented by Kai and Wonham in the book and in the lectures. And finally, we have the generation of the supervisor, the high level supervisor, which will oversee the behavior of the full system. Down here you can see that all the local supervisor for each group or each element of the plant is isolated to work by itself, and also internal events are related with physical events. In this case, 11 with machine 1 and 21 with machine 2, which are the order to start the machines, and 11 and 21 work as the interface for the high level supervisor to control them. So after we define all the local supervisors as isolated, and we relate the interface events, and of course having the dictionary of all the internal and physical events, including the mask events, we run the file. Let me do it again. We run the file and we get the structured text code. But before we look at that, you can see here, for example, the supervisor. It's a little big to see, but we can see the model of the high level system that is pretty similar to the one presented. And also the buffer. In the other hand, for the local supervisors, you can see they are also pretty similar. And then we'll see the structured text. So once again, we have the random number generation function block, the variable blocks, the fallen edge relations, the uncontrollable events for each one of the supervisors, including the high level and the local supervisors. In this case, there are 8. The state machines for each one of those. And finally, the controllable transitions. Here the interface code between the high level and low level supervisors, and finally the mask. With this, we go to the programs, Small Factory, update program. JST generated. Small Factory loaded. So we start the PLC. Let us start the plant. This case, as you can see, machine 1 and machine 2 are working perfectly. Now, if for example, I'm going to say that machine 2 is broken, we will stop. Notice already there's one piece in the buffer. Now we have 2 pieces in the buffer, and it will now take another piece until we repair machine 2. So we repair it. Now both start working again. And if we broke both machines, let me grab another piece. With machine 1, machine 2 is working perfectly. Machine 2 is working perfectly. Work it again. Notice that we cannot repair machine 1 till machine 2 is repaired, so let us repair again. Now they have finished, you can now repair machine 1.